Yes, good morning, everyone. So yesterday we started with session management. Session management. So session management means there are client and server. Both can be communicated. Both can be communicated. One common language is required. That common language is nothing but HTTP language. That common language is HTTP. But HTTP is a stateless protocol. Some common language is HTTP. This HTTP is one of the stateless protocol. Means every time whenever I'm sending request client, server is considered as always new request, new request, new request only. So already previously client is sending request, but my server does not know about that request. So some special mechanism is required to maintain client information server. Then that concept is nothing but a session management. So SD explained a small project that is page count project. Page count. So how we need to count the page? For example, in our yesterday, I created a page count project, 17th March, page count, views. Sir, whenever I'm sending the request, first time if there is no request, cookies data will be available there. That is one dictionary. If the first request means there is no data, I am returning default value as a 0. And I forwarded that one as a count equal to count plus 1 and rendering to the counter. So observe here. If I go to the CMD, this is the command prompt. Sir, in the command prompt, go to D drive, CD, Django, 17th March is our folder. CD, page count project. Now py manage.py run server. Yes, whenever started server, copy this URL, browser. I'm giving first URL as a what it is page. Sir, first time I'm sending request. No, I'm not getting any value. At the time of server sending the response, count equal to count plus 1 and set the cookie, it is sending the response. Now check it. Whenever given no, count equal to 2 and already I'm given anukunta. If I'm given again request 3, 4, 5 like this. Suppose Same thing if I go to the Firefox browser, I'm given count equal to 1. If you're refreshing second time, third, fourth, fifth, like that, page count project I completed yesterday, some basic idea. The main thing is, if you want to maintaining about the client information, that concept is called as session management. In the two topics are there. Session is maintained by one is cookies. Second one session APIs. Now, by using these cookies, one more example I want to see, that is, yesterday I'm telling same person, if I go to the multiple doctors, doctor 1, if I go to the doctor 2, two doctors, person should be same, but whenever you can go to the doctor, first time doctor will give chit and he will give it to the patient. So he went to two times for the doctor, 2 cookies are available there. He is not feeling well still, he is contacting another doctor. Now another will give response 1 chitty. So totally my patient have 3 cookies are there, 2 and 1. For example, after 1 week, if you want to go to the doctor 1, he can take these 2 chitties and go to the doctor place compulsory, because cookies can be maintained by client only, not the server. Server will just generate the data given to the cookie. Server job is over. Cookie will maintain the client is maintain the cookies information. If you want to go to this doctor, compulsory you want to give this chitty to the doctor. Same. Another example I'm given yesterday. Same browser. One browser is there. I opened the Gmail and I opened the Facebook. I'm sending request. Whenever I'm sending request to Gmail, Gmail will send some cookies information. If I'm contacting Facebook, Facebook will give cookies information. Whenever corresponding browser, if I want to go to that information, I am getting it. Same. What I'm asking is, now my concept is, first you have to display a small page form. In that form, take a column name. You have to enter your name, Mahesh, Suresh, Sunny, something. After that, you have to click on what you have to click? Submit, sir. How to create this? Only one field, name field, enter some name, click on submit. Okay, done. Once you click on submit, sir, first I'm hitting to the server, that is called as a by default get request, because entering URL, HTTP sounds get request. Whenever get request means that page is coming, there is no request. Whenever clicking on submit button, it is going to the request with the name. So first request I am passing whenever clicking on this submit button. Now I want to display another page. In that page, what I want to display is, hi, your name. Whatever name you are entered here, you are entering some name, na? That name you have to print it. So this is my second request. Because first I open the page, clicking on submit button, second request. I want to display some name. Bottom here, I want to display a button. Click for date and time. Once I am clicking on this one, again am I getting another request or not? Third request. Finally, in the result page, I want to display. In the first request, whatever forwarded, hi, Mahesh, current date and time, so on. So I want to display. Again, you have to give some button. Click for updated time. Click for up to date time, updated time. Then wherever I'm clicking on it, again, one more request I am passing. That is the post request, whatever request is there. So in the first page, I am given my name. But how my server is recognizing my name every page? So some concept is required. That concept is nothing but what it is, session management. In this entire session, my name is recognized by server every time. Because first time server creating some cookie, send it to the client. Whenever I'm sending request plus cookie I'm forwarding. Ante my name I'm forwarding to every page. This is my requirement. For example, I will show the execution, previous batch program, then you will get clarity. CD, Django, offline projects. CD, session project 2, sir. PY, manage.py, run server, sir. Server is started. Sir, first, I want to display one home page. I want to display the home page. Home. Yes. Welcome to, this is my previous their programs. I'm entering Mahesh. Enter name. Yes. Hello, Mahesh came. And I'm getting another request. But here, another page will be displayed. Mahesh. How it is recognizing my name? This is the second request. First request, page form. Whenever clicking on that post request, second, my name recognized. Okay. Click here to get a date and time. I am clicking it. Yes. In the next page, see, every time page changes. What is this page result? In this, how it is recognizing my name? Because of that session management cookies. Now it is getting current date and time, April 8, 11:19 a.m. After 1 minute, 11:20, I'm given another button. What I'm telling? Click updated date and time. Now time is 11:20 kada? Yes. 11:19. Now time is 11:20. I'm given a button. Click here up to date. Sir, once I clicking on hyperlink, is it a get request or not? Starting I'm telling, entering URL get request. Clicking on hyperlink, get request. I'm given method as a get method, get request. Get request. So see, whenever I'm clicking it, yes, again it is displaying my name or not. But every time, so entire until this closing browser, my server is recognizing my name because of the which one? Session management with the help of cool. So that project now I want to implement, sir. CD dot dot. Now our projects are Django 17th March 11 a.m. This is the current folder. So that is my requirement. Okay. This is the session project 2. Yesterday I explained one project. Session project 2, sir. Sir, first story, basic story only. Create the project. Django hyphen admin start project session project 2, sir. Yes. CD session project 2. Next, py manage.py start app test app, sir. Created, project created, application created, copy, paste. Next, open the atom. Now, what is the project? Session project to idigonde. Open settings.py, sir. Inside, installed apps, you have to give test app, save. So next, what to do? Next one now. నేను రాలేదే మీ దోస్త్ కూడా రాలేదు ఇంకో దోస్త్ సార్ నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ టు డూ make migrations. The reason is yesterday I'm telling sir, my tables are not there, but here something is there. What it is? Sessions. For that, to store this information, session required tables are required. And if you want to go to admin interface, admin tables are required. That is the reason I want to go with, sir, py manage.py. Make migrations. It is telling no changes detected. Yes, no problem. Now go to the migrate. Now all the tables will be created there. Here, my session related tables will be migrated. Okay, fine. These two you can go with after this one. Completed. So now we need to go over first function. What it is? Views.py, sir. Go to the views. Expand this. Views.py, sir. Sir, first I want to create a view def home underscore view. I want to send a request, sir. Inside I want to provide it. Yes, sir. First I want to display one form. And form kavalante what we can require? Forms.py is required. In test app, right click, a new file. What it is? Forms.py. Yes. Sir, in the forms, what is the first statement? From Django, import ఎక్కడో పోయింది అది పరిస్థితి yes django yes import ఇంకోండి forms came. Okay, fine. Now sir, how to declare the form? Class, I can give a login form. Inside, what is the class? Forms dot, the class name is form, sir. Sir, only one field you have to take. Name equal to forms dot, what is the field? Character field. Max length is not required. Not required here because of it is not a model. In the model databases, fields are required. Sir, in the views, before views, sir, first you have to take forms.py. In forms.py, take these 2 lines of the code. Now one form is ready with the name field. Now in the views, sir, first I want to create object to that login form. How to login form with the parentheses? But login form is a class available in another module. Where it is available? From test app dot forms import. What is our form? Login form. Sir, once object got created, give a reference variable. What it is? Form. Next, return render. I am getting a request, comma, test app slash home dot HTML page. Create a dictionary. Which dictionary? With the name of form. Key value. First time, this is the view we have created. Copy this one, sir. To here. Finish. Sir, now what is required now next? Yes, home dot HTML. Inside home dot simple. Just you have to display the form. You won't do anything. After that, once you click on submit button, another view. Second HTML page. Inside, hello Mahesh. Click for date and time. This object required. Once you clicking on that, in the third result, current date and time I want to display. So every request, server should recognize my name. So now HTML. Create the templates. Right click on project. Go to folder, sir. Templates. No static, no images, nothing. Just a template enough. In templates, again folder, sir. What it is? Test app, sir. Inside test app, right click, file. Home dot HTML, sir. Okay, done. Sir, here write the HTML code. Here no static, nothing. First one, H1. Welcome to Naresh IT. I printed there, sir. Sir, inside, what is the tag? Form tag. I'm not using anything. Remove. Sir, if I'm not given method as a post, by default, what is the method? Get method only. If you given message as a post, then only. Now, remove this action. Index pages, nothing. Form. Sir, how to submit the form? Curling braces. What is the key there? Form. It will display single line. I want to declare it as a paragraph as underscore P. Sir, whenever form is submitting, one thing is required. What it is? Percentage CSRF token mandatory. Otherwise, form is not submitted. Now, okay. Sir, once the form is came, I want to give some button, submit button. So, input to tag. The type is submit. No colors, nothing, value. Enter your name. This is the HTML code. I'm not using CSS now. If you want, you can use it, your wish, no problem. Then take the link CSS. After take this CSS folder, colors, fonts. Just I'm displaying template. If you want to colors, your wish. Sir, in this home page, just I'm adding my form CSRF token one button. Where is the form? In one forms.py login form is there. Just I'm displaying the first request. Now, ఇది కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? URLs. Go to URL, sir. Sir, from test app, sir, import, whatever import, views. Inside, copy, paste. I want to give home URL. Views dot. What is our view? Home view. Completed. Now come to here, sir. Start the server. Py manage dot. Run server. Server started. Copy this. Go to the browser. Paste. What is the URL? Home. Template. Settings. Every time we are missing same story. Template underscore dir. Base dir / sir. Templates. Give template dir into templates file. Copy. Now okay, done. Refresh. Yes, welcome to Naresh Shetty. Name, enter name. Came. Sir, first I'm given get request. And I'm sending first request. Here no cookies, nothing concept. Whenever I am entering the name, whatever name I'm entering Mahesh, if I clicking on enter name, which type of request it is? Get request or post request? Post request. In the form, whatever I'm given, is there any method is there? If method equal to post, then only post request. Otherwise, get request. Get to 4 ways are there. Entering URL, clicking on hyperlink without any method. I'm declared get request. Method as a get, but post only one option. Give method as a post. So in the form, I'm not given any attributes, sir. That's it is a by default. Yes, get request. Okay, done. Whenever clicking on name, present I'm not doing anything. I want to open next page. In the page, what I want to display? This name I want to recognize. Hello, Mahesh. Next one hyperlink. Click on current date and time. And second request am I given or not? Get request. Once I'm given second request, my client can recognize, server can recognize this client is it second request or not. Then take that name, add some cookies, send it to the client. Daniki what to do? Go to search here, nothing. I'm not implement any cookies. Go to the views.py file, sir. Yes. Now, second one is def date and time. Date and time. I want to send one request. No. I want to provide it, sir. How to read that name? User entered name from the there. Request dot get dot. Instead, I want to give name key. Get is a dictionary. Here, I can provide a variable name. Sir, where we are getting this name? User enter name. From the form, whenever I'm entering, click on button. I'm entering some name or not? Yes. Now inside home.html name equal to, sir, give some variable as a name, because in this button, enter name button, this value is there na, this will be holding your value, your whatever value I'm entering, that value will be stored into that name value. So now whenever I'm asking get name, get is a dictionary. In the dictionary, the value are there, name stored into this variable. Once I'm storing these variables, sir, generally what I want to give, render of, I'm getting request, comma, I want to display another template, test app slash date time dot html, comma, what I want to create dictionary, name colon name I am given. Actually, this I want to return generally, but don't return that one. Store this one as a what it is, response. This response I want to set the cookie response dot. How to set the cookie? Set underscore cookie. Inside first cookie name, after that value. What is the value? Name. Now send this response, sir. Return response. Check this code. First I am asking request. End user is sending one name. That name I am reading stored into variable. I am rendering test app. Datetime.html page is not there. I will create it. This name I can include as a dictionary. Response. Response I am set as a cookie. It won't do anything. It won't display anything. While execution time, I will show. Yeah. Without cookie, if we forwarded, client is telling every time new, then it should display output as a none. Because as I am telling dictionary get command, if the key value is there, that value will be returned. If cookie is not there, then it will display none value, name does not display. That also I will show. Check it. Sir, this is the date and the time. Sir, now what is required? This one required, not required. Yes. Now, come to test app. Right click, new file. Sir, home kaadu, sorry, into the date time dot html. Sir, 1 minute. First forms, first view, home.html, urls.py. First URL you have to create. After URL, again I'm going to views.py. Second view I'm implementing the date and the time page. Page I'm displaying, not date and the time. Page only. Views.py. This is the function, and set the first cookie to the first request. Okay, done. Now I am implementing, sir, HTML page. What is the HTML page? Date time dot HTML. Okay, done. Come to here. Date. Is the date time? Yes. Take HTML code. Sir, here I want to display H1 tag. Hello. Sir, I want to display name. How to display name? The variable name variable. Because in the view, are you creating dictionary or not? You forwarded to date time dot. So now it will be displayed. Hello, Mahesh, it will be displayed. Whatever name I am entering, that name will be displayed. Sir, after I want to display anchor tag. What is that anchor tag? I want to display. Click here to get the date and what you can require time. It is on anchor tag. Completed this page. Sir, for this view, date time, create one URL. Come here. Copy, paste. I want to give this is the second page. views dot. Sir, what is the view, sir? Our view, date, time. Completed. So 3 are ready. Sir, first view is ready. Next one, date, time, enter. Sir, now the thing is, go to your form, home. Yes. Sir, whenever clicking on this one, what is the action I want to go with? Means I want to go with which one? Second. Because what is the second? Second is a one URL or not? Yes, URL. Whenever it is going to URL, this function will be executed there. What is this function? That function is, this is the function. That's automatically datetime.html. So in your home dot here, you have to give your URL because you are clicking on which button? Enter name button. Go to here, server restarted. Come to this server address. This is the server address. Copy. Now check it, paste. Take first home. By default, it is the get request. Yes, welcome to Naresh IT, name Mahesh. Sir, whenever I'm clicking on Mahesh, click on enter name. So it is coming to clicking on enter name. Once clicking on enter name, which action is performing? Second. What is this second? It will goes to URL. It is navigated to here. From there to date and time. Here it is coming to views, date and time executed. In this page will be rendering. What I'm getting? Am I displaying name or not? Yes. That is the flow. Now click it. Hello. Enter name. I want to display only Mahesh kada. వాల్యూ ప్రింట్ అయింది కదా ఇది అర్థమైంది సబ్మిట్ నేమ్ ఎంటర్ నేమ్ ఏం yes sir hello Mahesh clear get to do sir now if I am clicking on this one what to do result page I can record in the result page again I want to recognize hello Mahesh after that I want to display some date and time everything I want to display for that what to do again go to here sir views third view what is the view def result underscore view inside send the request so now I want to provided name already I'm getting the name what is the name this time request dot cookies dot get because already some name I can provided there okay now sir import date and time import date time module okay now date time dot date time dot now I created date and time variable done so now what I want to do is I want to return because here no cookies final page this is directly I want to return render what I want to render request REPR వచ్చిందా previously I'm asking str REPR I'm getting request comma go to the test app / results dot html so now how many values you can pass first one name name is there sir second one just now I created what it is date time that date time value you can pass completed now finally you have to go with which one another page right click new file what is the file results dot html take the html file inside body h1 tag hello, curling braces. First one, name. After that, one horizontal line I can printed there, HR tag. Inside I want to provide it current date and time. Current date and time. So how to get it? Curling braces. What is the variable I'm passing? Date, time. Again, I want to declare with one anchor tag. I am providing, click here to update your time. Updated completed page. Now observe. Sir, present I am in here where click here to get the date and time. Once I am clicking on this hyperlink, it is a get request again. Once I am clicking this, it is available where, sir? In the second date time HTML inside. But here what is available there? Hash is available there. What I want to give here? URL. But URL is not there. Am I create any URL? No. So first you have to create URL. What is the URL? Results. What is the view name? Results view, sir. Now come to here. Date time. Whenever I am clicking on this one, I can navigate it to what it is? Results. So what is the results? Results is one URL navigating here. After that, it executing the results page. Then this page will be executed. Date and time should be displayed. But one more is there in results.html. Click here up to date and time. What to do here also? Give results URL. Because whenever I'm clicking on updated time, then again, same page I want to display. Yes, same link. So now check the server. Server is okay, fine. Now go to the first onwards. First URL. URL is submitted. Go to here. Sorry, but not missing. URL is missing home. First page came. So whenever I'm getting that one, home.page will be displayed. Observe carefully. First time given request or not? Yes. Once a request, sir, what it is displaying? Home.html will be displayed. Okay, done. Once it is displaying after that, I am entering some name. I'm entering some name, Mahesh. I am clicking on which button? Enter name. Then, hello, Mahesh. Click here, gate and time will be displayed there. Then, what is happening there backend means, if we submit, then request will go to the URL pattern. What is the URL pattern, sir? Our URL pattern is second or not? Yes, because come to first home page. Yes, whenever I'm clicking on enter name, it is going to second URL or not? Yes, it is going to the second URL pattern, which is associated with what is the function available there? Views dot, sir, in the URLs, what is the function? This is the function. This will be executed. This is the second one happened. Check it. That is happened there. Once I click here to get the date and the time, it is going to next result. From their URL to that page. Hello, my current date and the time will be displayed. That is the next request. This view function sends date time dot HTML as response. And in that response, name cookie added for the future purpose. After that, finally, what is happened? Once you click on that one, the result page will be displayed. Every time it is taking as a none. For example, see, sir. Sir, now 11:47 executed. Now time is 11:48. Click here, updated time. Mahesh, 11:48. Okay, now observe carefully. Copy this. I'm taking as a new browser. If I'm clicking on enter, what is the output I will get? This is the new browser. Is it sending any name? So it is, but asking cookies that get name. Get name is not there. It will take which value? None. Check the output. Amit, check it. If you are not providing anything, what is the display name? None, because it's the first request. Directly I'm asking. It is asking to the get name. Name is not there. Sorry, boss. Once the name is not available, where here? By default, what is the value it is getting? None only. So this is called as how session is managed by the cookies. Now 11:49 name displayed. Go to the browser. 49 only. If you refresh, this request always will sending none only because name not provided. For example, here also observe carefully. First, what is the page? Home page. Hello, welcome to Naresh IT. I am given as a Sunny. Enter name. Click date. Recognizes, not recognizes? Recognizes. Copy this one. Click on this one. Now, this is the new browser. Edge browser. Clicking on enter. What happened? None. Now, whenever you can, until closing browser, this Chrome browser always recognizes Mahesh. This Firefox always recognizes Sunny. Edge browser will take an always none until close the browser. Once browser is closes, none value again. So that is the process of creating a session management. Datetime.html. Datetime. After datetime, URL. urls.py. After that again, views.py. Last view I created. This is the view I created. After that, HTML page is required. Results.html. In these results, this is the page. Finally, urls.py. For this one URL is required. This is the URL. After that, a small changes, datetime.html, comma, results.html. You have to add the date time. Your added results, na, this one you can add the date time. In results, you have to add this one. Click here, update a time, results page. So that is the one project, one sample application, date time project. Clear everyone now?
Recording stopped.
So based on this, I will explain some flow that you can try it. Same session management by using cookies.
Recording in progress.
Sir, first as a user, okay, you have to send the request first, get request. And to start server, click on URL home page. In home page, what you want to display means, now a simple form you can display. Sir, this is first time I'm given request, first request. What it is, start server, home URL. In this, first you have to display welcome something. After that, a name, you have to give some edit box. After that, you have to click on submit. So this was just already entered. Take a small form inside welcome message. After that, you have to give as a name and click on submit button. Sir, once you click on this submit button, sir, you're already first request completed. Now, if I click on this, it should be a second request. It is a second request. In the second request, you have to display hello. You are entering some name or not here? That name you can read, Mahesh. That name you have to display. Next, you can take another label. What it is? Age. Button you have to take. Next, again, take one button. What is the button? Submit button. So here, see here the flow. First, display the form name. Once I click on submit, I am sending second request. Now set the cookie with the name and forward to the next level. Whenever I'm clicking on submit button, it should be displayed old page. So name, what is the name? Hello Mahesh should be there, age. Sir, once I'm entering, I am clicking on that. Is it a third request or not? Yes. Sir, in the third request, you have to display, what you have to display? First, hello, name required. Okay. Don't print age here. Age you have to take, stored it to. Okay. You have to ask another column. What you have to ask? GF name. Girlfriend name you can ask. Click on. What you have to click on? Submit button. Carefully see. Name I'm entering here in the second request. I want to display hello Mahesh. Yes. Click on submit. Go to third hello Mahesh. Don't display age here. You can ask again girlfriend name. Click on submit. Once I click on submit, I'm sending request. What is the request? This one. Fourth request. So same browser am I working or not? Multiple requests. Yes, multiple requests will be there. Finally, you have to display all the details here. What I want to display means from starting onwards, whatever you are reading from the client. Hello. Please confirm your information. So what you are getting, sir? First request, what you are getting? Name. Next, age. You want to display the age. Next, girlfriend name. Sunny. Like that, you want to display total. So here, How many pages are there? I'm directly telling one is home.html. Second one, age.html. Third one, gf.html. Fourth one, finally, results.html. This is the program that you can try it. Yes? No. Try cheyandi. First display the form simple, just now already explained. Welcome page and name submit button. In the second request, set the cookie. Just now already I'm telling. Next only two new things are there. Age you can take, girlfriend name you can take. Finally, in the result page, you have to display all those the things. ఎక్కడన్నా యాడ్ చేసుకో నాకేం సంబంధం ఫైనల్ మై అవుట్పుట్ దిస్ అవుట్పుట్ ఐ కెన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అది ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ వాట్ ఐమ్ టేకింగ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ పేజ్ వన్ వ్యూ ఇస్ దేర్ ఫస్ట్ హోమ్ పేజ్ కి హోమ్ వ్యూ ఏజ్ కి ఏజ్ వ్యూ జిఎఫ్ వ్యూ రిజల్ట్ వ్యూ సో ఇయర్ ఎన్ని 4 are there, 4 views, 4 HTML pages, 4 URLs. Carefully link it. But second onwards, you have to set the cookie whenever sending the response. That is only new thing. I will show flow also. Execution flow also I will show. How it is working, check it, sir. Stop the server. cd cd django, my previous batch program, offline projects, cd session management 2 3. Yes, sir. Observe the flow I am telling. Based on that, you will get clarity. Observe here. So now py manage.py run server. A server started. Sir, first I am sending the URL with home. What I want to display? Just welcome name submit button. Welcome to some Naresh Shetty. Enter name, submit the name. Enter your name, Mahesh. Click on submit name. What it is asking? Hello Mahesh, enter your age. So name I am reading, displaying to the second page. I am entering 50 years. Submit age. What it is asking? Only name only. Age don't display. Girlfriend name. I am entering as a Sunny. Submit girl name. Yes. Hello Mahesh, thanks for providing information. Please cross-check your data and confirm. Name Mahesh, age 50, girlfriend name Sunny. This information I can require finally. So every time you can check it, cookies will be setting. Cookie, first count. Name Mahesh, name and age. The girlfriend is not coming. Once again, you have to resend the request. Now girlfriend name should be also displayed. Sorry, I selected. Sunny came. Yes. Now, how many number of times you can selected? 3 cookies are there, 3 will be displayed. Sunny, like that. For example, in URL, my girlfriend is not Sunny. My girlfriend is Karina. Click on enter. Karina saved or not? Okay. Again, you have to refresh. Now, Sunny will be gone. Which is added? Karina added to the. This output I can require, sir. This is my main intention. Then you have to try it. Project. Okay. Pause the
Recording stopped.
So that is the story. వేరేంటి అర్థమవుతుందా? తోడ కొంచెం ఏదో అడుగుతున్నారు. ఓకే. సాయిబాబా అంటే మనోడేనా? ఎక్కడున్నాడు క్యాండిడేట్? పటాంజలిలో ఉన్నాడా? URLs, views, date time. చెప్పయ్యాను. అదే మోడల్. What is that model, Amit? Project 2, next project 3. Limitations, session APIs. I found on my interview application and దేనిలో డేట్ అండ్ టైం ఎందుకు? డేట్ అండ్ టైం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్ప్లేడ్ కదా. నో, డేట్ అండ్ టైం వద్దు, నాకు గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఏజ్ కావాలి. డేట్ అండ్ టైం ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్. అగైన్ వై ఆర్ యాడింగ్ డేట్ అండ్ టైం? పెంచు అయితే. మరి కంపల్సరీగా అనదర్ HTML ఫైల్ is required, again view is required. So now see, tomorrow I will tell some another new project, same session management.
Recording in progress.
Because it is a lengthy project, it will take so much time. Sir, previous time asking one question na, in object-oriented programming, classes related question. What is that? Passing members of one class to another class. I want to pass. Generally, everyone knows about this concept with the help of inheritance. But present, there is no inheritance concept. Without inheritance, how to access one class members into another class? How to access members of one class to another class? And I have to take two different classes and class test. Here, class test 1. Test 1. No inheritance, no inner classes. Both are different two classes are there. How to access one class member into another class? For example, open this PC D drive, my classes test.py. Now see. Sir, I have to take a class, normal class employee only. Instead, create a constructor. How to create constructor underscore init. Go to cell. Sir, employee have number, employee have name, employee have salary. 3 variables I am taking. I want to initialize this self.enumber equals to enumber, self.ename equals to ename, self.esalary equal to completed. Program, very simple program only. Def, I want to display that employee details, sir. Sir, how to display employee details? First, I want to display employee number. Sir, how to call the number? Can I go with self.enumber or not? Because it is an instance variable. Within the class I am calling. So self. Fine. Next, name. Next, salary. Salary. Now, this is a normal class are completed. Now, my requirement is class test. Inside the test, what I'm asking is, for example, tomorrow I'm created employee object, number 101, name as a Mahesh, salary as a 10,000. You have to update that 10,000 salary as a here 15,000. How to access it? That is I'm asking. Tomorrow, observe. Employee object dot created 101, name, salary. How much? 10,000. So now object will be got created, not created. What is the meaning of this one? Babu, one object got created. Inside object, what is the values? Employee number equal to 101, employee name equal to Mahesh, employee salary equal to how much? 10,000. What is the reference variable? E. Along with E, one more is there. What it is? Self. 2 variables pointing to your object. This is the meaning of this line. Whenever object got created, constructor executed, object got created, 3 variables are there, E and self is there. Now my requirement is 10,000 salary is there. Here you want to update that salary as a 15,000. How can I access? That is I'm asking. How to access the T-cell value in class test? Just to access the T-cell plus 5,000 enough. For example, E-cell equal to E-cell plus 5,000. Is it valid? Invalid. Because within this class, the E-cell is not. Sir, general, how to update that? That variable plus 5,000. Sir, that is my requirement. How to access the T-cell value into class test? How you tried? Test object create చేసాం. Okay. Next. రాదు కదా అప్పుడు attribute error వస్తుంది. Because T does not contain test object create చేసామో తెలుసా? Based on your execution, okay, you got created object. What is the reference variable? T. In the T, anything is there? Nothing. T is empty object, T is there. ఎక్కడ పాస్ చేసావు ఈ టెస్ట్ లోనా? టెస్ట్ లో ఈ పాస్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? T ఒకటి empty, only empty object got created. T does not contain any values. All values are available where? E లో ఉన్న values అన్ని కూడా. ఈ డాట్ అంటే ఏం రిఫర్ చేస్తుంది? ఇది రిఫర్ చేస్తుంది. దిస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ రిఫరింగ్. Sir, now see. Observe here. What I was doing is, sir, whenever line number 13 executed, constructor executed or not? Executed. Sir, here I want to take a method. What is the method name? Modify method. Inside I'm taking a argument. Instead I'm taking one argument. Now, observe carefully. I want to call the method. Which method I'm calling? Test dot. What is the method I'm calling? Modify. Modify method. A class method. Within that, can a class name with modify calling or not calling? Yes. Modify can contain argument or not? That should be maybe X, maybe A, anything. I'm giving argument as EMP. Here you can pass what I'm passing. E I am passing. Then what is the meaning? E will be given aliasing to another variable EMP. So current your object contain two only, E and self. Now one more added. What it is? EMP is added. Based on this EMP, see EMP dot ESAL equal to EMP dot ESAL plus how much I'm given? 5,000. Sir, now we have to call which one? EMP only. EMP dot which method? Display method. Completed. Here as no inheritance, nothing. But I'm calling one another class member into here by providing aliasing name. Now check it. Stop the server. CLS. Mahesh classes py test.py. 101 Mahesh salary is 15,000. Updated, not updated? Updated. How it is coming there? First of all, what is happened? Line number 14, object created. At the time of object creation, it is having two are there, E and self. Sir, whenever object got created, the value should initialize employee number 101, employee name Mahesh, and employee salary. This is the values starting. Okay, done. Sir, what is the meaning of test dot modify? Object. I'm calling method with the help of class name. I'm not creating object. Test is a class. Yes or no? Modify is a method. I'm calling method, but I'm passing a value. What I'm passing? E will be assigning to EMP. What is the reference? Aliasing name. Now, up to now, your object of only two references. Another reference came. What it is? EMP. Now, I'm asking EMP dot ESAL. What is EMP dot ESAL? 10,000 plus I'm asking how much? 5,000. Now this 10,000 will be gone. What is the value? 15,000 will be replaced. I'm calling EMP dot display method. Yes, by using this one, display method is there. All values will be printed. This value. Self also pointing to same object. EMP. I'm maxing one class members into another class without any inheritance. This is the way.
Recording
That
stopped.
is the process of that session management and this object creation without inheritance. Execute and analyze. Then you will get it. Sir, now see here, but you have to try it. Previously, Yes, EMP is one reference I am added. Previously, e-salary is 10,000. Now I am calling emp.esal. E-sal is available in e-employee class, but I am updated into another class. That is the concept. Sir, చూడండి. Sir, one interview they are asking this question. There is one list is there. Okay. List contains a word, eat. Second one is CBA. Third word is TAE. Fourth word is ABC. Fifth word is XYZ. This is the list they are given. They are asking output is the output they can require first list. Inside second list, eat, comma, TAE. In the second list, they are asking CBA, comma, ABC. Next, they are asking XYZ. Try this one. This is the input they are given. Anyone you can try it. Output, this is required. What is that concept? Slicing. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి ఏంటి ద కాన్సెప్ట్. ఫస్ట్ 5 words they are given in the list. What they are doing? How they are created? Asal what it is inside list of list? Is there any difference is there? Sir, first word they are taken eat. You have to reverse it. Any word is matches, not matches. Eat and reverse is same వస్తుంది. TAE. With that any word matches, not matches. Take these two, make it as a one separate list. Take second word, what it is CBA. Once you reverse ABC, with that ABC inside your list value is there or not? There. Make these two as a one list. XYZ you can reverse. Z by X. Any word is there? Not there. Separate it. List. Alaga first list, second list, third XYZ reverse word is not there. Separate it, add a separate list. ఇది కావాలి, ట్రై చేయండి. ఏదన్నా చేయండి, అవుట్పుట్ అది రావాలి రన్ చేస్తే ప్రోగ్రామ్ని. దట్ ఈస్ దేర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. ట్రై చేసి చూడండి, తెలుసు దానిలో ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటో. ట్రై దిస్ వన్. Whatever is there, no hint. That is I'm telling na, this is input. In exam they are asking this output required, write the program. They are not given hint. Okay, just they are given input, print that output. That output they can require. That is their requirement.